Welcome to Troubleshooting. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Samsung dishwasher SC5C error code.
Fix 1. Clean the filter. Step 1. Turn off the dishwasher. Step 2. Remove the bottom rack. Step 3. Twist and lift the filter out. Step 4. Wash the filter under running water and remove food debris. Step 5. Reinstall the filter and run a cycle. Fix 2. Check the drain hose. Step 1. Pull the dishwasher slightly out if needed. Step 2. Make sure the drain hose is not bent, clogged, or kinked. Step 3. Disconnect the hose and rinse it to remove blockages. Step 4. Reconnect the hose securely. Fix 3. Clean the sink drain/garbage disposal. Step 1. Run water in the sink. Step 2. Turn on the garbage disposal, if connected. Step 3. Remove any clogs from the sink drain to allow proper flow. Fix 4. Check the drain pump. Step 1. Unplug the dishwasher. Step 2. Remove the bottom access panel. Step 3. Locate the drain pump and remove debris stuck inside, coins, glass, food. Step 4. Reassemble and test. Fix 5. Reset the dishwasher. Step 1. Turn off the dishwasher. Step 2. Unplug it for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Plug back in and start a new cycle.